The court appears to have been hijacked totally by the judge advocate who is giving the orders, although the regulations are very clear that he gives the advice and the court can refuse to take his advice for good reason, which must be recorded. That to us means that we, the defense, can persuade the court not to take the advice of the judge advocate when it is misleading. But it's now no longer possible in this court because it's under total control of the judge advocate. One wonders then, what is the use of having a panel if the judge advocate makes all the decisions? Right now, the court refused to grant our request for a reference to the Constitutional Court on various questions, including the question of discrimination, because bringing civilians to a court-martial is discrimination when other civilians are being taken to the courts of judicature. We also challenged the territorial jurisdiction of the General Court-Martial. Our clients, Dr. Kizza Besigye and Mr. Rutale, were arrested in Kenya. Courts of Uganda have limited jurisdiction, limited to the territory of Uganda. So we had various constitutional questions, including the question of the arrest and incarceration of lawyer Aaron Chiza, who is part of the defense team of our two clients, and his absence disables their ability to defend themselves effectively. These are very substantial questions, but the court has declined, and when we have sought to appeal their ruling, and the law clearly says we have a right of appeal and uses the mandatory language, shall. The court, through the judge advocate, has declined, and even declined to hear our arguments. We are leaving this place very sad, not able to know whether the court is still going to function or it's the judge advocate, because he has totally hijacked the proceedings.
Yes, Uganda.
Uganda.